Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Honda CRV rear wiper blade. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need a new rear wiper blade, which is usually 10 to 12 inches in length. Make sure your vehicle is parked securely and the ignition is off. Then, carefully lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks into place. Now let's remove the old blade. Look closely at where the blade connects to the wiper arm. You'll find a small clip or tab. Depending on your CRV model, you might need to press this tab or firmly twist the blade to the right or left. Once released, gently slide the entire old wiper blade straight off the arm. Be careful not to let the metal arm snap back onto the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its attachment point with the hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm. You should hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. You're almost done. Carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Now, turn on your vehicle and test the new wiper blade using your washer fluid to ensure it clears the glass effectively. Remember, replacing your rear wiper blade once every 12 months helps maintain clear visibility and enhances driving safety, especially in adverse weather conditions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.